Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here today, and I am here with a 10 types video. So if you have been around Archer and Olive at all, you know that in the last subscription box that these new planners were released. These are an A6 pocket size type planner. So I'm going to be giving some suggestions because a lot of people were like, what do I do with them? So I had a lot of requests to talk about different things to do. And so I've created a 10 types video. I have my own plans for these, but I thought it would be fun to go through these. So I am using the white notebook to go through different options. This craft notebook is going to be my gardening planner. So I actually created a custom vinyl called Bloom and just put some little decorations on there. And then I have plans for my blackout as well. So I'm going to be showing you all of the 10 types in this white notebook. I will be selling custom vinyls to put on your covers. This is a fabric cover, so you just have to be a little bit careful with like the maintenance of it and hanging on to it. But they do stick to the fabric of the planners. So those are all going to be custom, but of course my shop does not open again till October 1st. So if you do want a custom vinyl, definitely message me at Erin Floto Designs. What is it? erinflotodesigns@gmail.com or on my Etsy shop. I will be selling them in both places, and so I can get you started ahead of time before my shop gets back. So let's go ahead and get into it. First of all, how cute are these? Look, they just fit in my hand so well. Okay, so we have 10 types. So the first idea is to do a morning journal. So I actually took this whole thing from masterclass.com to explain what a morning journal is. It's basically the first thing you do when you wake up is just kind of release your stream of consciousness onto a page. So you fill out 3 pages. It helps clearing your mind, processing emotions, unleashing creativity, and silencing your inner critic. And then I wrote down some tips like writing longhand, avoiding distractions, don't go back and dwell on your previous journal pages, because the morning journal pages, that it's not really what that is intended to do. It's really, this is the start of my day, this is what's on my mind, and put it on a page. So I like the idea of this because a lot of people find it hard to fill out 3 full pages. And so maybe if you're doing it on a little notebook, 3 full pages is much easier for you. So it's a nice way to kind of get started into that morning journaling. The next one I have is daily affirmations. So this can be some sort of lettering practice as well, that you come up with an affirmation for the day and then letter that prompt. So for today, I give myself the care and attention that I deserve. There's a lot of TikToks right now that are doing such great work on why daily affirmations are a good idea. And so having a little journal so that you can do your daily affirmations would be great. And especially because some of these things might be a little bit more fitted to a white notebook, but doing the daily affirmations and lettering, I think would be good in any type of notebook. The next one is a travel notebook to-do list. So this could be like a memory keeping for traveling, or it can be a to-do list of your itinerary and things like that. So I have a travel photo down here. You can fill it up with more photos, of course. And then what your schedule is for the day. For example, you have tickets to go to the museum at 9 a.m. and you have to pick up your tickets at the window. Call your friend to meet up for lunch. When are we doing lunch and where is it? Posting to Instagram because, of course, why not? Taking group photos, checking up on your dog sitter, for example. So things that you you still need to do while you're traveling, and maybe your itinerary, things like that. Because this is so small, it is great for any sort of traveling or things that you're doing in the field. Number 4 is a workout log. Again, this being a pint size, it's really easy to take to the gym. I was really self-conscious when I was using an A6 in the gym, but now I'm not using an A6 in the gym because I don't go to the gym anymore. I do all my workouts at home. So the thing that I have planned for one of these notebooks is to do a workout log. So this is the day, the type of workout for the day. So for example, if it were leg day, which is a strength training day, I would do some sort of 15-minute cardio warm up, this type of circuit that I'm doing. So three sets of 10 push-ups, which is body weight, 3 sets of 10 reverse lunges with dumbbells. So that would be like 20-pound weights, 3 12 squats. So this would be like if you're doing barbell squats, so 85, 85, 105. I'm sure, you know, people could lift a lot more than that. 3 by 10 kettlebell jump squats, and I did a 20-pound kettlebell. So I like the idea of this because it's, again, very small. It's easy to write down. And this gives you a lot more information than just saying I did a 20-minute workout. This talks about like what types of weights you're using and things like that. So if you are using specific weights, you can track your progress over time, because say you started out at an 85 squat, but you get up to 155 in a couple months, you know, it's tracking progress, not just, oh, I did a workout. So, and then like a bike day, a 20-minute Cody ride, because I do Peloton rides, and then putting your statistics for that ride down below. I didn't do that because I'm lazy. But this is one of my plans for my workout log, or for one of my A6s, is doing a workout log. The 5th one is a grocery list and meal plan. Again, this is a really good idea because this is easily put into your purse to go to the store. So doing a meal plan, so there is a space for each day of the week and breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Because I have these headers, I don't have as much space. So you could also put in snacks for the day as well. So I just have breakfast and lunch and dinner though, and then a list of the groceries over here. And then if your meal isn't that long, you can split this in half to put your snacks over here as well. So having like one page for the week for what you need for your groceries based on your meal plan. So that's the idea of the grocery list and meal plan. Number 6 is a pen and washi swatch notebook. I saw a lot of people mentioning this on Archer and Olive's sites. So for example, I put Pippa's art and Archer and Olive collab and then the release date, because I know a lot of people like to track when certain types of pens come out and in what types of packs. Or same thing with Washi, if you get like Simply Gilded, she has the monthly subscription boxes, and then you can put which subscription box it is and when you got it. I also have these Swatch pens in my shop. Currently I have the mild liner, the Tombow, the Crayola Super Tip, and the Sakura Jelly Roll. I'll go ahead and make some for Karen markers and for Archer and Olive markers as well. So I have these little mini versions of pens in my shop that you can put down all the stickers and then color them in with that color. So, and I didn't swatch my washi because my washi is all packed up. I literally don't have a single thing of washi. It's very weird. Number 7 is therapy notes. I participate in therapy a lot. I'm kind of messed up in the head. Well, not only that, I make that as a joke, but I think that therapy is really good for even people that don't have crises at the moment, just to talk to someone that's like a neutral third-party person that you can talk to. So I do think that there are benefits to therapy outside of just you're messed up like myself. Okay, so I have session summary, things that you want to work on, tough topics, plus your mood about that topic or your emotion about that topic, coping skills, and then just like an overall how I felt about that therapy session. Was I mad? Was I sad? Was I just like over it? Or did I feel some sort of relief or satisfaction from that therapy session? So doing a set of therapy notes, again, really good for, you know, kind of long-term, seeing how you're progressing and then doing it in this little notebook. Number 8 is sermon and spiritual notes. I am not spiritual, so I just got this online. I looked up sermon notes and saw some Google images and looked up like templates and things like that. So that's where that came from. This one is particularly from Moritz Fine Designs. So I will link that below. This particular type has a printable that you can download for kids. So it's a speaker session and date of the sermon, the scripture that they're quoting, what you learned during the sermon, sermon notes, and prayer requests from that particular day. Number 9 is photo a day / photo journal. So I like the idea of doing this photo journal because it's kind of, even if there's something kind of mundane going on in your life, taking a photo just to like kind of mark an occasion or what you were doing that day is a really good visual reminder of what's going on, and then journaling along with that photo. So that's the idea behind number 9. And then number 10, this is the one I'm most excited about because I already have a plan for it in this journal, is a garden notes journal. So the first one is more for indoor plants. If you have like a photo of the plant or you want to draw it, the name of the plant, that could be like, it's, you know, house plants get a lot of pet names these days. The amount of light that is required, the amount of water that is required, if you have to water every several days, blah, 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 if it's toxic to humans or animals, and then notes about that particular plant. Maybe it had like a fungus or flies around it and things like that, and how you took care of it. And then the one that I'm mostly going to be doing, because my cats try to eat plants that are inside, so I'll be doing more outdoor plantering. So I have some list suggestions down here. So your soil improvement, watering schedule, feeding schedule, if you certain types of plants and vegetables and things like that need cleaning and trimming instructions. And then I have just like kind of a layout for outdoor planters. So that's how I plan to use this craft notebook. I really like the idea of doing plants with craft notebooks. Obviously, it being brown paper just reminds me way more of a garden. So I have big plans for this particular one. And then I think I'm going to be doing my workouts in this blackout notebook. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to be using this white notebook. I will probably... I wanted to show you in the actual notebook, so I did go ahead and put these pages in one of the notebooks, but I might glue them all together and then start maybe morning journaling or something like that with the rest of these pages. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to be doing or how I'm going to be using the white notebook yet. So those are a few ideas. If you have some more suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below, how you plan to use them, or other things that you thought that you've seen in groups saying, oh, this is how I plan to use it. I do have a series called 10 types. I probably couldn't have come up with more, but just to be consistent, I decided to do 10 types. So please, 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 if you have more ideas, definitely leave them in the comments down below, because we are all a community here and we all like to share ideas. So I hope that you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.